emotionally deal with it. And so I remember thinking to myself, why is it that I'm able to do this? And the answer was I could self-soothe faster than anyone else. So I would get kicked in the face and I would do something really dumb. I'd be called an idiot, told how stupid I was. And then I'd just be like, all right, I need to recenter. And that just became my obsession. I need to be able to emotionally get back to complete neutral so fast that you don't even see it register on my face.
How'd you do it? How do you do that?
Literally practicing.
What's up, guys? So I'm making some chicken right now, and I've been listening to this podcast on Max Out with Tom Bilyeu, and this little nugget of information about going back to neutral as fast as you can is something that I actually do, and I didn't know other people did it. So he says he does this by practicing. So I kind of cut that off right there so I can show you how I practice. The way he practiced, he rambled on something else and didn't really go into how you practice it. But I do this a lot because I like to have like an emotional state that's either neutral or super high. Usually when I start dipping low, I can feel it. Embarrassment, feeling shame, guilt, things like that. Because you go into a downward spiral, right? You feel a little shitty, then you're like, next thing you know, you're like having the worst day of your life. So I love that Tom also does this, and I am an avid practicer of this. I just called it like active meditation as I go through my day, because if something happened to me that's embarrassing, whatever, just negative, I quickly just get out of my head. Breathe, neutral, focus here in the moment now. Boom, done. Forget about it, it's gone. And that actually really has helped me, and it gets me through a lot of situations where I feel as if I am, like I just failed. You know, he said it, people call him an idiot or whatever. If I feel like that negative emotion that's gonna hinder me or put me in a downward spiral, I legitimately just clear it out. I'm here to focus on moving on to the next step. Forget the past, literally, and keep on going. Also, I do this really well for, I call this like embarrassment retrograde. Like I'll be taking a shower and I'll think of something dumb that I did so many years ago. And I like be in the shower like, oh, I can't believe I did that. Or like, oh, I was so dumb, why did I do that? And then I'm like, why am I having bad emotions here right now on a thing that happened like years ago? And it's like, done, move on, stop. Nope, no one's even here, bro. Like, done, cleared out, I'm done, I'm showering, that's it, done, cut it. So please use this. I didn't know Tom and like I guess some successful people use that. I just thought it was just what meditation was for. Practice meditating, another great way to practice this ability to clear the mind on a moment's notice so you don't go down in a downward spiral. Stay nice and keel, or elevate your emotions nice and high to have an amazing day. Hope you guys get some cool benefits from that. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.